Imagine a place where whitewashed houses cling to steep cliffs, vibrant blue domes mirror the sky above, and golden sunsets light up the Aegean Sea like a dream. Welcome to Santorini, the jewel of the Greek islands and perhaps the most beautiful place on earth. Santorini is not just a travel destination, it's a living painting. Located in the southern Aegean Sea, this crescent-shaped island is part of the Cyclades group in Greece. It was born from a massive volcanic eruption thousands of years ago, and its dramatic cliffs and caldera are remnants of that powerful force of nature. What makes Santorini stand out isn't just its stunning visuals, it's the feeling the place gives you. A sense of serenity, romance, and awe. From the moment you arrive, you're greeted by postcard-perfect views. The villages of Phyra and Oia are the most famous, perched high above the sea, with narrow winding streets, blooming bougainvillea, and whitewashed homes with cobalt blue rooftops that shine under the Mediterranean sun. As you stroll through these towns, you'll feel like you've stepped into another world, one where time slows down and every moment feels like a memory. But Santorini isn't just about looks. It has a rich history dating back to ancient times. It was once home to the advanced Minoan civilization, which was destroyed in the Great Volcanic Eruption around 1600 BC. Archaeological sites like Akrotiri reveal ruins of that ancient world, complete with frescoes, pottery, and multi-story buildings, showing us how advanced this society truly was. The island's volcanic soil also makes it a unique place for agriculture. Santorini's vineyards produce some of the most distinctive wines in the world, especially the crisp and mineral-rich Assyrtiko. Wine tasting here isn't just an activity, it's an experience. Picture yourself sipping chilled white wine on a terrace overlooking the caldera as the sun dips into the horizon. It's nothing short of magical. And then there's the food. Greek cuisine is a celebration of freshness, flavor, and simplicity. In Santorini, you can enjoy local dishes like tomato keftids, tomato fritters, fava puree made from yellow split peas, and fresh seafood straight from the Aegean Sea. The restaurants, many built on cliff edges, offer breathtaking views alongside mouth-watering meals. But the real showstopper in Santorini is the sunset. Every evening, hundreds gather in Oia to watch the sun sink into the sea. The sky erupts into hues of orange, pink, and purple. There's a reason people say Santorini has the best sunset in the world. It's not just the colors, it's the feeling, the shared silence, the collective awe. In those moments, you understand why people fall in love with this island. Beyond its beauty, Santorini offers experiences that feed the soul. You can hike the trail from Phyra to Oia, a path that offers panoramic views of the caldera and the surrounding islands. You can take a boat tour to the volcanic islands of Nea Kameni and Palea Kameni, where you can walk on lava rocks and swim in hot springs. Or you can explore the island's lesser-known beaches, like the Red Beach, with its dramatic crimson cliffs, or the black sand Perissa Beach. Santorini is a place of contrasts, ancient and modern, raw and refined, tranquil and alive. It's a destination that speaks to the heart. Whether you're a couple looking for romance, a solo traveler seeking inspiration, or a family wanting adventure and beauty, Santorini welcomes you. But what truly makes Santorini magical is its energy. It's in the sea breeze, the light, the colors, the quiet moments, and the sounds of waves crashing below. It's in the warmth of the people, the charm of the villages, and the awe-inspiring views that never grow old. So if you're searching for the most beautiful place on earth, where every corner is a work of art, and every day feels like a dream, look no further than Santorini. It's more than a destination.